लास्ट पी पी टीमध्ये आपण पार्ट फर्स्ट बघितला या चॅप्टरचा. आता पार्ट सेकंड आहे. या पार्ट सेकंडमध्ये आपण मॅग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट हा पार्ट शिकणार आहोत. याच्या अगोदर हीटिंग इफेक्ट बघितला, त्याचे फॉर्म्युले बघितले. यामध्ये ओस्टेड this scientist has performed this experiment which is on page number 51 in our textbook. Here plug key is not switched on and connect all the apparatus electric gadgets as shown in this figure. Connect copper wire thicker and straight as compared to the connecting wires between A and B. Keep a magnetic needle adjacent to the wire. म्हणजे काय करायचं आहे, आकृतीत दाखवल्याप्रमाणे इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किटची अरेंजमेंट करून घ्यायची. मॅग्नेटिक निडल एक ठेवायची. एक्सपेरिमेंटल वायर ही स्ट्रेट आहे आणि जाड आहे या इतर कनेक्टिंग वायरपेक्षा, आणि मॅग्नेटिक निडलला च्या ॲक्सिसला ते पॅरलल आहे. मॅग्नेटिक निडल ठेवल्यानंतर अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मॅग्नेटिझम, मॅग्नेटिक निडल केम टू द रेस्ट इन दिस नॉर्थ साऊथ डायरेक्शन. नाऊ record this direction and close the plug key and observe the direction of needle. What do you notice? Whenever plug key is switched on, at that time current flows through this experimental wire from this A end to the B end and circuit gets completed. As soon as current start flowing through this experimental wire from this end to this end, magnetic needle which is at this position gets deflected towards this wire. Then switch off this circuit and change the polarity of the battery. That means this positive end which is connected to this A end, now negative terminal is connected to this A end. That means whenever we switch on this plug key, at that time current will start to flow from this B end to this A end. As the direction of this electric current flowing through this current changes, this magnetic needle shows deflection which is opposite. In the first time it gets bent towards this pole of this magnetic needle gets deflected towards the wire. Now this north pole deflects away from this experimental wire. Then what do you notice? Do you notice any relation between direction of current and position of the needle? Here, as the direction of electric current is reversed, the deflection also गेट्स इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. म्हणजे मॅग्नेटिक निडलचं डिफ्लेक्शन हे विरुद्ध होतं जेव्हा वाहणारा करंट हा विरुद्ध दिशेने वाहतो. फ्रॉम दिस वी कॅन कन्क्ल्यूड दॅट whenever current flows through this experimental wire or any electric wire, a magnetic field is produced around this wire, and as this magnetic needle came in this magnetic field of the wire, at that time it shows deflection. From this we can conclude that magnetism is induced in this electric wire which is of copper because of electric current. Then Now to find out the direction of magnetic field, as we know that in case of a bar magnet or any magnet, always direction is from north pole to the south pole. But here, as this wire is straight, which is the north and south pole of this magnet, which is a induced magnet. To find out, let us arrange this apparatus without starting plug key. Experimental arrangement is done as shown in figure, which is on page number 52 in our textbook. Fix a cardboard. This experimental wire passes through this cardboard and fix a magnetic needle. Place a magnetic needle here on this paper cardboard. Now switch on plug key. Magnetic needle shows the deflection and find out or mark these different direction of a magnetic needle with the help of pencil. Now instead of magnetic needle, spread iron fillings, that is pieces of iron on this cardboard, and then switch on plug key and start to flow this current. Whenever current flows through this wire, at that time all these iron pieces gets arranged in these concentric circular rings. This is because of magnetic effect of electric current. According to the concept of magnetism, what is the direction of magnetic field of these concentric circles? To find out this direction of magnetic field, as we reverse the direction, again concentric circles are observed on this cardboard. Then how to find out direction of this circular magnetic lines of force? Here, for that, a right hand thumb rule is given. Imagine this is the conducting wire and which is held in your right hand in such a way that your thumb gives the direction of this electric current. Then these curled fingers around this conductor shows the direction of magnetic field. म्हणजे ही जी बोटं आहेत कंडक्टर भोवती जो इमॅजिन केला आहे, सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं इमॅजिन केलेलं आहे, ती बोटं आपल्याला या मॅग्नेटिक फील्डची डायरेक्शन दाखवतात. म्हणजे मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड ऑल स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम these end and ends at this end. This is the right hand thumb rule. Imagine that you held a current carrying straight conductor in your right hand in such a way our thumb points the direction of current. Then your turn your fingers around the conductor. The direction of fingers is the direction of magnetic lines of force produced by the current around this conductor. This is the rule with which we can find out the direction of magnetic lines of force. Now instead of this straight conductor is bent to form a loop. स्ट्रेट कंडक्टरचं आपण वाकवून त्याचा गोलाकार असं लूप तयार केलेला आहे. व्हॉट विल हॅपन टू द मॅग्नेटिक लाईन्स ऑफ फोर्स ऑफ द फील्ड प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द करंट फ्लोईंग थ्रू धिस लूप? स्ट्रेट कंडक्टर भोवतीस या पद्धतीचे प्रत्येक पॉईंटपाशी, म्हणजे या पॉईंटपासले हे कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल, या पॉईंटपाशी असेच कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल्स येत राहतील. तर आपल्याला अशा लूपमध्ये कन्व्हर्ट केलेल्या वायरभोवती तयार होणाऱ्या मॅग्नेटिक लाईन्स ऑफ फोर्स कशा असतील हे बघायचं आहे. सर्किट इज कनेक्टेड is completed by connecting various components, which is shown in this electric circuit diagram. This is on page number 53. एक्सपेरिमेंटल अरेंजमेंट आकृतीत दाखवल्याप्रमाणे पान नंबर 53 आहे हे. त्यानुसार अरेंजमेंट केली. If current passes through the loop, magnetic lines of force are produced at each point on the loop. As we go away from the wires, the concentric circles representing magnetic lines of force will become bigger and bigger. या पॉईंट पाशी लांब गेलो असंच लांब जात राहिलो तर मॅग्नेटिक लाईन्स ऑफ फोर्स यांचं सर्कल्स यांची रेडियस वाढत जाऊन मोठे मोठे होत जातात. ॲज वी गो टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ द लूप सर्कल बिकेम सो बिग. या लूप सर्क्युलर लूपच्या या सेंटरपाशी आपण गेल्यानंतर असं लक्षात येतं की या लूपपासून हा सेंटर लांब आहे. त्यामुळे या सगळ्या मॅग्नेटिक लाईन्स ऑफ फोर्स विच बिकेम सो बिग दॅट इट्स आर्क कॅन बी शोन ॲज अ स्ट्रेट लाईन. त्या सगळ्यांच्या आर्क्स एकत्र येतात आणि त्या जवळपास स्ट्रेट लाईन प्रमाणे दिसतात. म्हणजे ॲज अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मॅग्नेटिक लाईन्स ऑफ फोर्स, according to the property of magnetic, no two lines of magnetic force intersect each other. Due to that, they became more and more concentrated at this center, and its radius increases that they appears to be straight at the center. Due to that, at this center, more and more magnetic lines of force appears crowded. या सेंटरपाशी जास्तीत जास्त मॅग्नेटिक लाईन्स ऑफ फोर्स एकत्र येतात, क्राउडेड आहेत. अँड दिस इज द अनादर प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मॅग्नेटिक लाईन्स ऑफ फोर्स दॅट मॅग्नेटिक field intensity is greater at where the magnetic lines of forces are crowded, and intensity is lower where these magnetic lines of force are rare. Thus, this means that if there are n turns, हे एका लूपचं झालं, if number of turns are there, greater number of turns are there, the magnetic field n times of the produced by a single loop. म्हणजे जर जेवढे जास्त टर्न्स राहतील तेवढ्या पटीनं जास्त मॅग्नेटिक फील्डची इंटेन्सिटी राहील. असंच एका लूपऐवजी अनेक लूप असलेलं स्ट्रक्चर तयार केलं. या स्ट्रक्चरला म्हटलं जातं सोलेनॉइड. वेन अ कॉपर वायर विथ अ रेझिस्टिव्ह कोटिंग, ज्याच्यावर आपल्याला इन्सुलेटिंग मटेरियलचं कव्हर आहे असलेल्या, इज वुंड इन अ चेन ऑफ लूप विच लुक लाईक अ स्प्रिंग. हा मधला पार्ट आहे ना येलो रंगाने दाखवलेला, हा नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स आर देअर विच all these turns are coated with a insulating material, that is the resistive coating. Such a structure is called as solenoid. The magnetic field lines, that is lines of force, due to the current carrying through this solenoid are similar to those of a bar magnet. Here this is the bar magnet. Its experiment is performed by us in a 8th standard. Here the one face, that is the one side of this coil, will act as a south pole and another pole will act as a north pole, like that of this bar magnet. या बार मॅग्नेट प्रमाणे हा पोल ॲक्ट होतो. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द पोलॅरिटी, पॉझिटिव्ह अँड निगेटिव्ह टर्मिनल्स connected to this solenoid, one end acts as a south pole and another end acts as a north pole. Here, magnetic lines of force arises from this north pole and ends to this south pole, similar to that of bar magnet. Okay, thus we will get a more and more intense, that is a crowded lines of force at the center of the solenoid, where there is the strong magnetic field.